Jamie and Leah love their home so much, they bought it twice.
We bought the house because of the location, the schools, the yard. Our two daughters love this neighborhood. And our dog, Riley, he truly loves it. We sold it to my parents because we moved to the coast, and then we bought it back and we fixed it up. New floors, new kitchen. It's great. I love it here. I'm staying.
When I first saw the house, I loved the location on the cul-de-sac, the yard, and it was great for when the kids were little. But now that they're teenagers, we just need a little bit more shoulder space, elbow room. We need a home that gives us enough family space, but yet gives the girls their own space as well. We've done this twice.
2 strikes. I mean, I can always hit it out of the park the 3rd time. We're staying.
We're gonna go. The lack of an open concept main floor is a big problem. My dream house, you come in and then it's all open, so it just flows from one functional space to the next. This is our living room. It's so closed off. It needs to be open. We need openness.
Yeah, but it is a nice sized room.
Down the hallway into the dining room and the kitchen. The kitchen is good. I like it. We redid it. We added the components that I really enjoy, a double oven, a pot filler behind the stove. We never installed a tile backsplash, but it's been updated, but it's very sectioned off from the living room.
You can take down the wall and then it'll be fine. That's an easy fix. And then you can have it all the open concept you want.
New house will have it already done, and it'll just be one flow.
But you're not gonna have that yard. Not gonna have it.
So this is our sun porch / hot box sauna. It's too hot in the summer.
It's not very functional, no. It's an easy fix.
Easy fix. That's all I've heard. Easy fix. Nothing's fixed. The hall bathroom, it doesn't function now. 2 teenage girls, it's not working.
Maybe raising the cabinet up a little bit, but there's not much more you need to do in here. It's fine.
It's not worth it. We just need to move. This is our main bedroom with 2 individual closets that are small. It's just a cramped space. Cramped closets and cramped. Our bathroom, it's tiny, very short countertops for me that's tall, that has to bend over to spit my toothpaste out. In the closet of a shower, it's tiny.
It's a shower. I mean, that's what do you want?
It's
We're
a
not
shower.
hanging out in there. We're just showering in there.
What?
Having some updatedness to our bedroom and bathroom would be certainly something that she would much appreciate.
Wouldn't you rather have a house we can just move in and everything's already done?
All we need to do is do those things that you like, and then we'll have the perfect house. It's an easy fix.
Easy fix is just packing the house up and moving to something that's ready for us to go.
What is the must-have list that's gonna get you out of here?
Open kitchen and living area, 4 bedrooms, bonus room for the kids, mature private lot, like similar to the one we have here. Great outdoor entertainment space,
Okay. What is the budget for the new house?
$500,000.
I'm excited to get to work. Over to you.
Okay, you tell me your list of what I have to do to convince you to stay in this home.
Create an open concept main floor, improve the sunroom. It's too hot, it's just stuffy in there. Renovate and enlarge our bedroom and closet. Renovate the main bathroom, update the upstairs hall bathroom.
Can I ask for my budget?
You have $100,000.
So, this is a funny old house. This room is going to become a guest space. Do you know what I think this is great for as well? When the girls want to have their pals here, they have a hanging out space.
Okay,
But that just means doors on it.
just a couple doors right here.
Yeah. So, do you want all my design ideas?
So you know what I want first? The budget.
100,000.
Okay.
You wait, though. It's going to get chipped away at stuff you're never even going to see.
Well, that all adds up.
I know. This was designed as the formal living room, separated from the rest of the house. Old-fashioned living, right?
Okay.
We are going to knock through that wall. We will now have a nice, big, open space. It's going to be bright and light. So in here, we have the grand dining room. It's such a huge room, got a fireplace.
Let me ask you this. How wide do you want to open this wall over here?
Oh, I think we're gonna try and go all the way. I would like it to be like this giant room because what we need in this house is connection to this fantastic lot. I mean, this is the crowning glory of this house.
It looks good if I can see it below the awning.
I know I'm gonna get rid of that awning. Come on, outside. So they have this sunroom. The thing is that this room is like a sauna.
Oh, wow.
I mean, you could feel it.
Oh, yeah.
We'll insulate and run ventilation to make it more usable, but that's it. We're not gonna come up with anything grand here. We want to just make it function, spending as little as we have to.
Okay.
We're done on this floor.
What about the kitchen?
Kitchen's staying exactly the way it is. They love it, I love it. We've got this whole bath. It's tiny, it's terrible, it's horrible, but we're not gonna spend a fortune on it. We're just gonna update it, plumbing where it is. Okay, now here comes the meat of this renovation now that will give us a shot at this being a love it, not a list it. So, into the main bedroom.
This is a long but extremely narrow bedroom.
Go take a look at the bathroom.
Oh, no.
Oh, yes.
Oh, wow, this is small.
It's all going to be demolished. Completely gutted. I want to bring it into this room around 4 feet. That's enough to turn it into a decent main bathroom. Then these closets get completely demolished and the wall behind it blown out into this next bedroom to create a main bedroom that has a decent sized bathroom and continues on this way to have a great closet. In this room here.
Okay.
Everything on this wall will be shelving and drawers. And that gives me this wall, that wall for hanging, so that will give them a decent closet. And we're picking up guest space downstairs, so they haven't really lost a bedroom. With all of that, what do you think? $100,000.
Considering that we're not doing a kitchen, I think we're going to be okay on that.
Would this backyard be enough?
Not for me.
Backyard, bigger.
I think I know a place. It just went on the market today.
It's a great bathroom.
100% upgrade.
Right?
Yes. I think it's probably just missing more of the openness that I was looking for. No coat closet downstairs.
A nice backyard, but there's a little crampy inside in the kitchen.
A bigger kitchen.
It's nice.
This doesn't seem to be too boxy for you.
It was great. I really liked it.
I liked it too. I think it's a little bit out of our budget though, David.
Well, the obvious thing they didn't love was the price.
David continues to hunt for a house and price that works for Jamie. And back at their current one, the electrical and plumbing are going in upstairs. Downstairs, the main floor's opened up to the view, just in time for Jamie and Leah to take a look.
Hey, I'm in here.
Hey!
Wow.
Ta-da, what do you think?
Wow.
Wow, looks really, really good.
We could not open up the entire wall without blowing the budget. So what you have here is a partial opening. The question is, do you like it? And before you answer, I will add, I saved a lot of money doing it this way.
I like that.
Saving money.
I do like that.
I'm happy with
Great.
it. Very happy, thank you.
All right, now, bad news, I'm afraid, outside. So we discovered that basically the sunroom that you have and a good big portion of your deck is completely unsound. So the minute we find that, we do not have a choice. We have to remedy it.
Wait. So how much more are we talking about?
No extra money, but what I will say is you're not going to get another sunroom. That's a really expensive structure to rebuild.
Are we going to be able to get something else in its place?
Well, my plan is to give you a screened-in porch and rebuild the deck.
Well, as long as we're staying within our budget, I think for me, that's the big thing.
This next house for Jamie and Leah is miles better than their current house. This house has 4 bedrooms. It's got a beautiful eat-in kitchen family room combination. Beautiful backyard. It's got a bonus room with the kids. Let's go see what they think. What do you think?
I like
Some
it.
good curb appeal.
How does the neighborhood grab you?
It's a little more compact
Yep.
than what we have,
Yep.
but you know, it looks good.
Just get to know our neighbors a little bit.
Yes, exactly. Come on in.
Wow.
What do you think, Jamie?
Well, it's nice. I mean, it's definitely open
Formal dining room.
Very nice.
Happy, Jamie?
so far. Let's keep looking.
Let's go.
Okay.
Your main bedroom.
Amazing.
Yeah, looks nice.
Is it spacious enough for
I
a
think
main
so.
bedroom?
Yeah, for us.
Or a main bath.
Wow.
Ooh.
I think you probably have an understanding of what Hilary's giving you. How do you think this would compare?
It's not going to compare. Hillary's going to knock it out of the park. It's going to be real
You
nice.
said that really quickly. You didn't even think about it.
No, because
Take some time to think about it. Look around.
I did look around.
You've got the jetted tub, the glass blocks, huge shower,
Shower.
double sinks. Now that you've had time to mull it over now, tell me what you think.
Well, I mulled it over, and I'm still thinking that Hillary's going to knock it out of the park.
Let's have a look at the storage.
Wow.
Go check it out.
Go ahead. Have a look.
Wow, yes.
wow, it
this
is
is
big.
great storage.
But it's a nice walk-in closet. I like it.
All right, let's go. Jamie, what do you think?
Wow. This is
Wow.
nice and
I know.
open.
I know.
It's
Definitely.
exactly what I wanted.
Well, this is nice. It's open. This is kind of what Leah's looking for,
Yes.
being able to see the TV while she's cooking and hanging out.
I'm good. This is it.
Yeah, you're right. I can't. I don't think we can touch this.
So this is a big deal.
We'll have to see the rest of the house and see how it goes.
Let's go. We're heading outside first.
It's nice.
Isn't that
Yes.
Wow.
This is perfect. I love the
This
high
is great.
ceilings.
Yes.
Love the connection. Great
Love the
flow
connection,
from the
yeah.
kitchen to out
Yeah.
here.
This is great, though. I mean, it does, the backyard is grass and natural area, and
Yeah, you can hang out with our neighbors. Just reach over the fence and say hello. And,
Let's keep going.
all right.
We are done with the main floor, so
Okay.
let's head upstairs. The teen hangout.
I wasn't expecting this.
Not expecting it and
No.
not gonna be getting it back at home.
Oh,
No, they'd love this.
yes.
Yeah, let's go see something else.
So, this is the bathroom that your kids are gonna share.
Okay.
We're gonna share the bathroom.
Okay.
Hillary, upgrade your kids' bathroom?
She is. I'm sure it's gonna be similar to this, maybe even a little better.
Think so?
Probably.
Similar? Probably?
No.
Maybe?
No.
Who knows? This house is listed at $530,000, so a little bit above your $525,000 limit. But if you think about what you're getting over and above what your house has, I mean, this alone is worth $25,000.
This is it. We're done.
We'll see. Wow.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Wow. This looks great.
This is incredible.
Ta-da, you have arrived.
Can't wait to see the rest of the house.
Wow.
Jeez.
Wow is not enough. This is,
Beautiful.
I couldn't have envisioned this. When we discussed taking the wall out, this was not in my head.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Look at this.
This is beautiful.
It's like an extension of our living space.
That's exactly what it is.
I mean, for all of us.
Yes.
Look at this. Wow, this is
Isn't
this
this
is what we wanted right
fabulous?
here.
So, yes, this
be
is
able to see the
exactly
backyard
what
and
we
wow.
There
had
it is.
envisioned and talked about.
And a nice long deck there. Look at the deck and the grills over there.
Here you go.
Wow.
Great space. I mean, this was our bathroom.
Yeah. And it was never a huge bathroom. So it isn't a
No.
huge closet, but it is an organized, designated
perfect.
space. And now we're going to go and look at the main bathroom.
Oh, goodness.
Uh-huh. Let's go.
Wow.
Holy wow.
Wow, this is beautiful.
This
Soft
is
close. Wow.
unbelievable. That shower is huge compared to that tiny one we had. This
Look at
is
that tub. We never had a tub.
incredible. Never had a tub.
Look at this. Just come here
Look how
and
big it is.
look at this.
Yeah.
This is your main space. Your main bedroom, closet,
Never.
and bathroom.
Never would have envisioned it being like this.
This is beautiful. You really did a great job.
David showed them a house with an open living area, a spacious main bedroom and bath, a dedicated bonus space for the girls, and a great screened-in porch. But he couldn't deliver them a fully private backyard, and the house was over their budget. Hilary opened up their main floor, built a new deck and screened-in porch, created a dual guest and hangout space for the girls, updated their hall bath, and designed a deluxe main bathroom and bedroom with a walk-in closet. But she was unable to completely renovate their kitchen.
Decision made?
Decisions made.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
we are going to list it.
Oh, I love the way that rolls off the tongue, don't you? Don't you?
Yeah, oh, sure.
Just.
No, oh, it's fabulous.
Everything here is just beautiful, but the property that David showed us, it just gives us more space for the girls to have their own space upstairs in that bonus room, and just to be separate but yet together.
And I understand the extra space and the way that you really can settle in and know that regardless, you're good.
Yeah, so this house has been loved, listed, loved, and now listed.
I know.